Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you want to get these products for yourself. What's going on, Rich? Back with another awesome video for you. I want to show you really quickly how to take off wallpaper. This stuff is unbelievable. I took a gamble on it on Amazon. I got to be honest with you, this is one of the best purchases I've ever made in my life. This is a gallon of the solution that it comes with. You can get a smaller spray bottle with a sprayer, or you can get the gallon. I picked up a $1 spray bottle, and I'm just refilling the gallon into it. And this is the stuff that you spray on the walls to loosen up the wallpaper. This thing works tremendous. It comes with a metal blade. It gets caught on the wall though. I noticed the actual plastic end, it doesn't mar the wall, doesn't cause any kind of problems or anything. Just after you use it, just clean it off. Just spray it with a little bit of the solution and just wipe the end off, or soap and water. But this works absolutely fantastic. I've never used anything like this. I've always heard wallpaper is a nightmare. Did a horrendous job wallpapering, and the walls were purple before, so it penetrates really well too. That's just one spray. It'll run down. So what you want to do is work your way up from the top down and let it run. And you know, as you can see, I did a couple sprays there, and it just kind of runs down the wall. Just be patient with it. And there you go. If you're patient and you let it soak in and penetrate, it will just come right off the wall. So there you go. I mean, the key is patience. There you go. Look at it coming. Have you ever seen wallpaper do that? I mean, I highly recommend getting their products to take off the wallpaper too. All right, so here's what the kitchen looks like after completely removing everything. It wasn't too hard to do. It took about a day. So I'm going to leave some links if you want to buy this in the description. And of course, if you haven't liked this video already, make sure to do it. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. And let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below. I get back to everybody. Thanks again for watching. Take care.